we are changing my spring and summer clothes to my fall and winter clothes. I like to organize my clothes by season for a few reasons. Reason number one, my closet's just not that big. Reason number two, it helps me to sort of feel like I just went shopping, like the clothes are new again. Reason number three, I don't want to have clothes taking up space in my closet that I'm not going to wear because it's too hot to wear them anyway. And reason number four, I just like doing certain things to be in tune with the seasons. And I love the changing of the seasons, so I love to also change certain things in accordance with the changing of the seasons. So anyway, let's dive into these boxes. The first bin I have is all my tops. Oh, I decided to keep this, by the way, if you haven't seen the last video. I was debating this one. This one was thrifted. I love it. Look at it. I thrifted this for a photo shoot. Thrifted this one. Another thrift. This one I bought. So this is a jacket from Forever 21. It had these really gross faux leather sleeves on it that were deteriorating. And this actually used to be my sister-in-law's jacket. It was just in bad shape and she wanted to throw it away. But I was like, wait, the shell of this jacket is just fine and just needs new sleeves. So I bought some leather and I put new sleeves on it. And then I also changed out the leather detail in the front of the jacket. But I was able to save at least a little bit of fabric from the landfill, so. And it's really cute. I like this jacket a lot. I've never put sleeves on anything before, so it was also a pretty big moment for me when I was like, wow, I can do this now. Thrifted. I bought this one. Bought. This one was a gift. I bought this one. Bought. Gift. Thrifted. This one was a gift. Shout out to the college I never finished. Husband hand-me-down. Another husband hand-me-down. And this one was too big, so I cut the back, sewed it closer together. From the back you can't tell that it's there. Thrifted. 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 And two more husband hand-me-down sweaters that I stole from him when we were dating and I never gave them back. And that's everything in the first bin. On to the next bin. So in this bin I have a lot of like skirts, dresses, pants, but also in here I have sentimental items. So I have stuff in here like this. This is my homecoming dress from the senior year of high school. I've actually worn this one for a photo shoot before. This is actually my wedding dress. Oh, and here's my prom dress. This dress itself was an upcycle. The top half of the dress, we got it at Kohl's and it was like $8 because it was on sale. It had 3/4 length sleeves originally, and so I cut those and made them into little short sleeves. And then the skirt was originally all in this dark green color. We cut off the skirt, but kept the underlayer of the skirt and then sewed the actual skirt onto the bottom to make a longer underskirt. And then we sewed the new fabric skirt on top of that. I had a little belt that went with it. Let's see where the belt is. Here's the belt. This is what it looked like all together. Just a cute, colorful dress. This was so much fun. Oh, and this is a dress that I made for the Girls Ask Guys dance. Got this cute jumpsuit that my friend gave me. Thrifted. Bought. This one was a bridesmaid's dress at my friend's wedding. Thrifted. Bought. Thrifted. This skirt was actually featured in my top 10 favorite things I've ever thrifted video, so if you haven't watched that, go watch it. So as you can see, only about half of my stuff was thrifted. The other half of it was bought or given to me. There was a time when I didn't like thrifting clothes. I grew up pretty poor and my mom only ever took us clothing shopping at Salvation Army, and I was so ashamed of it. I was so embarrassed of it. It wasn't until I was in high school that thrifting started to become popular, and that's when I started to get into it. But after I graduated high school and I started working and I had my own money, I just was spending it at Forever 21 because at the time that was like my favorite store. But that's everything that's out of storage. Now we just have to take out all the summer stuff and put it in the bins so we can make room for the fall and winter clothes. There are certain things in my closet that I keep year round, and how I decide what to keep out and what to put away for the seasons is this one of my favorite items? Is this something that I can wear when it's hot or cold out? Is this also a neutral piece that I can wear with multiple different outfits? One of the things I also like to do with seasonal dressing is dressing in certain colors in certain seasons. So in the spring and summer I like to do floral patterns, bright colors, light colors, and then in fall and winter I do more dark stuff. Here's what my closet is looking like right now before being cleaned out for the fall and winter. I'll do a little after shot so you can see how the colors change and how it looks different. Like this video if you remember where this outfit's from. Look at all that space, ready for some new dark clothes. Fall is my favorite season, and it's also my favorite season for fashion because I love layering clothes. What are your favorite fall trends for this year? Like, what are you gonna wear? I want to know. Comment down below what is your favorite trend that you're wearing this fall. My favorite trend is, okay, let's get one thing straight. I don't keep up with trends, so this might be an old trend, but my favorite is wide leg or boot cut jeans. Skinny jeans have kind of lived their life, I feel. Here's what my closet looks like with all the fall clothes hung. And you can really see what I was talking about with colors, how now that it's fall and winter, I want to wear darker colors. Alright, that's it for this video today. All my fall and winter clothes are put in my closet, and everything from spring and summer are back in bins, and they're going back into storage. Thank you for watching, and comment down below if you also switch out your clothes seasonally. Please like this video because it really helps my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!